Hi, Michael from Crazy LEDs. I'm just going to show you how to take the die off your smart car clocks. You've got your clips coming around the side here. These need prizing off, and when you prize those off, the clock should simply pull out like that. And it's just a case of removing the self-adhesive die very carefully. There we go. So we need to take this die off the dials, the orange die you can see, and then we can have any colour showing through, not just red or green. Okay, so use alcohol for this. Put on a Scotch-Brite pad. What you need to do is you need to get the adhesive off first, the horrible sticky gunk. So we've got all the sticky stuff removed. Now to finally sand off the orange parts. Okay, so what we're aiming for here is, if I lift the clocks up you can see the daylight. See the white parts here? This is where the orange die's already been taken off. Just these little parts here left to do. Now we've got all the die removed. Hold it up to the light, as you can see. When you remove all the die off the dials, what you find is, behind where the bulb used to sit, the dial and the die was pixelated. So when you put your bulbs in, the LEDs replacement, you're going to get bright spotting. Use your silver circles if you've gone for any other kit colour apart from green or red, because if you go for green or red, you won't need to remove any die off your dials. It's all done for you. The only reason is you need to do this if you've got white, ice blue, pink, or any other colours that you've had to take the die off for. And this will reduce the bright spotting. Now we need to remove this Perspex light bar. You can see what I've done here is to stop the bright spotting. I put two silver patches over the top, and that will make a big difference. Light it up. So I've got smooth colour here, but then you've got a bright spot there. That's the difference the patch makes. Just like to show you also, you can change the colour of the needle, or you can remove this orange die off if it's causing you any problems in your LED conversion. The central LCD display has a clip there, a clip there. If you snap a clip, don't worry, the plastic's very brittle. It'll all hold together again when you clip the bezel around it. That will lift out. Your needle then comes off like that. You can sand this die off, and you can either use glass paint and you can colour the colour of the needle in. And to put the needle back on again, if you're worried about putting it in the wrong position, just put it back in the middle. Take care, you don't stab your finger if it pops through, and then just wind the needle back into its zero position again. Now we've cleaned our dial off, we're just going to pop the dial back in place. It's got locating pins there, there and there. There'll be enough adhesive left on the dial face to stick it down nice and securely. And now we've got the bezel clip back. There you go, you can see the difference the patches make. Thanks for watching. You can get this kit on our website, crazyleds.co.uk. Click like and subscribe for more videos.